Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. This is some Deco Art metallic dazzling white pearl. And I'm just going to start with a little bit of a base layer before I add some more of my colors. And then I'm just going to simply swipe them and hope for a good effect. I could just use the dazzling white. That might be interesting. But I think I'm going to sprinkle some colors through. Now that we have a good and not insignificant base layer. It's not really significant either, but no paint chips. Paint chips are coming off my fingers, I'm pretty sure. There we go. I saw some canvas texture that was accentuated by lack of dazzling white. This is Oriental Blue. Which I'm just going to give myself enough of. Go to the Periwinkle and the Mysterious Mystique. Oh, that's closed as well. Nothing an upholstery tack won't cure, hopefully, since I was just using it less than 5 minutes ago. I still want that Whispering Wisteria. And I did use it, so it's probably the same scenario. And it's a very similar color. Not the same, but similar. Alright. Now, I think I'm going to indulge myself. Use some Amsterdam White Cell Activator. And just throw caution to the winds about how this happens. In other words, whatever happens is what's supposed to happen. I'd like it to look something like a sky, but if it doesn't, that's okay, because the foreground will, in all hopefulness, look like something entirely different. Now, I really like that texture I've got in the cells, and what I'm thinking is I'm going to use the Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier to imitate it. Because I like it so much. And that'll work. Spent 20 minutes messing around with the last thing I tried to call a background, and I think it's a painting. Which doesn't come as a big surprise to people who watch me all the time. I should probably stop messing with this. Except for I really want some dancing fuchsia. And I'm going to call it done for this stage. Reminds me of a wave, the reflections on the surface of a wave as it's forming. This is the pan I just used to create a different painting, and I'm going to add some colors around what's here and use them up probably with I thought about a shovel, but I'm actually going to use one of my silicone brushes. This is Decorated Americana 24 karat gold with, I think, hollyberry or dancing fuchsia added to it. And I'm going to put a little bit of spring wisteria in there. And a little bit of marooned in there. Although I think it's not very open. No, it's not. Put that aside. Otherwise it's going to be messy. And some jasmine. Whoop! Wow. That's a first. Lots of first lately. And Fandango. Some Vibrant Aqua. A little bit of Indigo Teal, I'm not sure why, just to keep the same color theme going I had from the last painting. And a little bit more Decorated Americana 24 karat gold. Oh, I pulled out the blue velvet and didn't use it, and I want to. Give it a bit of a shake. I really want some orange in there. I don't know why I'm not putting it in. Maybe because I don't have a lot. We'll try it, and if I want orange, I'll snag some. Now, I don't recall if I've actually used one of my silicone brushes to do this, so it might or might not work. We might wind up back at the shovel anyway. I think this needs to be in my hand. I wanted to put a moon in, but I realized I should have done it first. I'm going to fast forward through, I think, a lot of this. I like this, and I think even the little bulbs look like buds. I could actually dot a few things, but I'm not sure that it actually needs it. But since I did it once already, I want to do it again. Yep. Nothing serious about this. And it looks seriously cool. Just the same. It's just exactly what I wanted. Can't say that every day. I'm sure you can go just as far as you want to. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.